What are you doing, girl?
Baking cupcakes.
Okay. I think you need more in there, so do another scoop.
Mom, I accidentally got
That's
it
okay.
out. I wouldn't.
Remember, what do you do with your finger?
My finger's not too big.
Alright, now you can dump it.
Into this one?
Mm-hmm.
Right there?
Yeah, you can do maybe another scoop.
Or two.
I like big cupcakes. I don't like flat cupcakes. Alright, scrape the very bottom of the cup. Okay, now you can pour.
Can I do it this hand?
No, you gotta do it with the other hand.
This one?
Yep. Right there. Okay, stop. Okay.
I still have a little bit
Okay, you can put it in there.
until it stops. Now can I put my finger in there and scoop it out?
No, you gotta get more from the bowl.
Okay. Until it's all gone.
Mm-hmm.
I poured a lot. So I need to pour some out because I poured a lot. Here.
No, leave it, girl. That's
I poured
okay.
a lot.
That's okay.
And escape out of the leg. Here's the bag. Yeah, that's nice. There?
You probably need a little bit more, but go ahead and fill up the whole